Welcome to this 3-bedroom flat for rent in Sea Point, Cape Town, Western Cape, South Africa for R55,000 per month. Our 55,000 negotiable. Very spacious living spaces welcome the visitor to this appealing home with lovely sea and mountain views. A well-appointed kitchen with a separate scullery and a great breakfast bar adjoin the living space. An enormous playroom downstairs leads out to the deck, pool and a rear garden and is the perfect place for the family to chill. The 3 bedrooms are all ensuite and another bonus is the outside office study. The automated double garage offers direct access to the home and there is excellent security in place. The home is well located and offers easy access to all the main roads and the schools and shops. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.